Welcome back to the channel. Today we learn AGCO EDT, the electronic diagnostic tool for Massey Ferguson, Fendt, Valtra and Challenger. 4 brands, 1 clean workflow. Connect your adapter, pick the brand and model, and EDT identifies the modules on the machine. Engine, transmission, hydraulics, and cab systems all report in. Read faults across all modules at once. Descriptions are clear, and frequency counters separate one-off glitches from real problems that deserve parts and labor. For tricky faults, use guided diagnostics. EDT asks for measurements step by step and narrows to the root cause, exactly how factory training says to do it. Watch live data while the tractor operates. Hydraulic pressures during lifting, engine data under load. The numbers in motion tell you what static tests cannot. Finish repairs with the proper calibration, clutches, hitch position, and hydraulic valves. Calibrated machines feel right, and operators notice the difference immediately. Tips: match EDT versions to machine generations. Keep voltage stable during sessions. And document each session. Service history sells tractors later. That is AGCO EDT across 4 brands. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.